On behalf of President Trump, it's my great privilege to have the opportunity to meet with you and with your distinguished delegation. As you know, President Trump articulated America's renewed strategy in South Asia. We value our relationship with Pakistan, a long-term partnership towards security in the region, and we look forward to exploring ways that we can work even more closely with Pakistan and with your government to advance the security throughout the region. And I and the President are very grateful that you would take time for us to continue that discussion, and look very much forward to our time together.
Thank you. Mr. Vice President, thank you for the invitation, and we look forward to discussing issues of mutual interest today, especially the war against terror, where Pakistan has been a partner of long-standing, and we intend to continue with our efforts to eliminate terrorism in the area. We've made our contributions. We fought a very difficult war. Pakistan has suffered casualties. We've suffered economic losses, and that's the message that we bring to the world, that we are a partner in the war against terrorism.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Prime Minister. Honored to be with you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, President.